Okay, class 10. Today we will continue exercise 13.1 from question number 5. So till question number 4 we did. Now question number 5, exercise 13.1. This exercise is from surface areas and volumes. Exercise 13.1, question number 5. In question number 5, a hemispherical depression is cut out from one face of cubical wooden block such that the diameter L of the hemisphere is equal to the age of the cube. Now first we have to draw the cubical block. It is in the shape of cube. Now this is the cube. Now one hemispherical depression is cut out from the one face of the cube. It is perfect circle. So depression, it is hemispherical depression is cut out from one face of the cube. Now the diameter of hemisphere is L. Diameter of hemisphere is L, small letter L. So what will be the age of cube? So age of cube is equals to the diameter of hemisphere, means age are L. Ages are each age length is L. So determine the surface area of the remaining solid. Now we need to calculate the surface area of remaining solid. So how to calculate? It is similar to question number 4. So first we will write the given information. So diameter of hemispherical depression. Hemispherical depression is L. Now we will calculate the radius. Radius R equals to L by 2 because the radius is the half of diameter. Radius is the half of diameter. Age of cubical block equals to L. Now it is considered as X equals to L unit or L centimeter, L unit. Okay. Now we have to calculate the surface area of the remaining solid. So hemispherical depression is cut out from the one face of the cube, means there are 6 faces, so remaining faces are 5 faces. Therefore surface area of remaining solid will be surface area of remaining solid out of 6 faces, 5x square. Now this is the face which is used for depress the hemisphere. Now out of this face there are 5 faces. So area of 5 faces is 5x square. Area of 5 faces is 5x square plus. Now what is the chord surface area of hemispherical depression? It is 2 pi r square. Now this face is look like this. First we have to calculate the remaining portion of this face. So remaining portion will be plus area of square x square minus area of circle pi r square. So this equals to 5x square plus x square is 6x square plus 2 pi r square minus pi r square is pi r square. Now we can put the value. So 6 into L square plus pi L by 2 whole square. So this equals to 6L square plus pi L square by 4. Now this equals to, now take LCM, 4 into 6 is 24, L square plus pi L square. Pi L square is square units. So we can take L square common, 24 plus pi. We can take 4 outside. So pi 2 pi 24. It is 24. 24 plus pi square units. It is the answer of question number 5. L square by 4 into 24 plus pi square units. Now move to question number 6. Okay, question number 6 is a medicine capsule is in the shape of cylinder with 2 hemispherical stalk to each of its ends. The medicine capsule is in the shape of cylinder. This is question number 6. Now apart from cylinder, 2 ends is in the shape of hemisphere. This is the actual shape of medicine capsule. The length of the entire capsule is 14 millimeter. So total length of the capsule is 14 millimeter. 14 millimeter. Total length is 14 millimeter. And the diameter of the capsule is 5 millimeter. So diameter is 5 millimeter. Find its surface area, means total surface area. So question number 6. Now solution. Diameter. Here the diameter of cylinder and diameter of hemisphere are equal. So diameter equals to 5 millimeter. 5 millimeter. Now first we have to calculate radius. R equals to 5 by 2 millimeter. So this is 5 by 2 millimeter. 5 by 2. This is also 5 by 2. Now it is given that total length of the capsule is 14 millimeter. Total length of capsule is equals to 14 millimeter. Now first we have to calculate the length of cylindrical portion. Length of cylindrical portion equals to total length minus 5 by 2 plus 5 by 2. Total length minus twice of 5 by 2. Because why twice? Because the radius is 5 by 2. This side 5 by 2. This side also 5 by 2. We need to subtract from 14 millimeter. These two portions have to subtract from 14 millimeter. So length of cylindrical portion. Length of cylindrical portion. It is represented by h. So this equals to 14 minus 2 into 5 by 2. millimeter. So we can call 2. So 14 minus 5 is 9 millimeter. Now we will be able to calculate the surface area of medicine capsule. Therefore, surface area of medicine capsule equals to CSA of cylinder plus 2 into CSA of hemisphere. Why 2 into? Because end side are hemisphere. CSA of hemisphere. Now CSA of cylinder is 2 pi RH plus 2 into what is the CSA of hemisphere? It is 2 pi R square. Now we can take common 2 pi R common. 2 pi R is common. H plus 2R is left inside the bracket. So now put the value. 2 into value of pi is 22/7. Radius is 5/2. And H is 9 plus 2 into radius is 5/2 millimeter square. So this equals to so we can cut 2 from here. So it is 22/7 into 5. So here also 2 to cut. 9 plus 5 is 14 into 14 millimeter square. 717, 7 to 14. So 22 into 2 into 5 is 10 millimeter square. So this equals to 22 into 10 is 220 millimeter square. Now this is the answer of question number 6. Okay, this much for today. So we will continue next class from question number 7, 8, 9.